Language is a powerful tool. A well-placed phrase can make you sound not just articulate, but truly insightful. Today I'll share 10 English expressions that will instantly elevate your speech. A case in point means a perfect example of something. If you want to sound insightful, use this when proving a point. You might say, social media influences the way we communicate. A case in point is how people now use emojis instead of words. By and large means generally speaking. It's a refined way to summarize a broad idea. A good example is, by and large, reading daily improves your vocabulary and critical thinking. For all intents and purposes means in every practical sense. Many people mistakenly say, for all intensive purposes, but now you know better. Consider this. For all intents and purposes, the project was a success, despite the minor setbacks along the way. A paradigm shift refers to a fundamental change in thinking, a new way of looking at things. Take this example. The internet caused a paradigm shift in how we access and share knowledge. To play devil's advocate means to argue against an idea for the sake of debate, even if you don't necessarily disagree with it. Let's say, I understand your point, but just to play devil's advocate, what if this policy has unintended consequences? To no avail means without success, a poetic way to describe an unsuccessful effort. For example, she searched the entire library for the book but to no avail. A foregone conclusion means an outcome that is inevitable or obvious. You might say, with their experience, it was a foregone conclusion that they would win the debate. To put something into perspective means to help someone understand its true importance. A good example is when you put history into perspective, you realize how much the world has changed. A means to an end refers to something done to achieve a goal, even if it's not enjoyable. Imagine this. For him, learning multiple languages was not just a passion but a means to an end, as it helped him build a career in international diplomacy. All things considered means taking everything into account, a refined way to conclude your thoughts. Take this example. All things considered, English may be complex, but it's also one of the most expressive languages in the world. Which of these expressions was your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments. After all, language is power, and the words we choose can shape the way we're perceived. A well-placed phrase can elevate any conversation, so go forth and speak with confidence.